Skip, about 3 points and a clean sheet again. What's your thoughts on the game today?
Yeah, I think at this stage of the season it was important to get the 3 points and to move on. Performance wasn't great to us, but thought we huffed and puffed over the game. Conditions were, a bit tricky, but the same for both sides. But like I said, to get over the line, 3 points. Think about next week.
It's about next week as well. As it's getting closer to the Dublin game, isn't it? So, and it's literally punch for punch in a minute. So, did you feel the pressure today?
Not really. I think it's just important to focus on ourselves and to get 3 points and get over the line. Llandudno game will be what it will be when we play them. But before that, we've got 2 hard games to get 6 points from. So we can't really think that far ahead at the moment. It's just taking one game. It's a cliche, but taking one game at a time and going from there. Really.
It was third time we played Buckley this season. We have beaten them all three times this year. What's been the key to the victory in all 3 games?
They're a tough, resolute side. It's a local derby, so it's important to get the first goal. We didn't keep the ball as well as we have done in the past against them. I thought we battled well in the conditions, won second balls, put it into areas that caused them problems. Felt in the first half in particular should have had converted more chances. But we could have come in about 2 or 3 up, to be honest, if we'd taken those chances in the game early on. And then second half was sort of maintaining and managing the game really. Importantly, getting the second goal. Probably again, I think could have Jake had a chance. I think right at the end to make it 3, which would make it a bit more comfortable. But they come here and they cause us problems. They put into areas, they battle, they fight, as you'd expect.
And Jake grabbed his 4th goal in 3 games, so he's on a bit of a hot streak at the minute.
Yeah, no, he's done really well. I thought he was man of the match last week against Colwyn Bay. And today he was dangerous. We are the most dangerous threat, really. Worked well at volley, getting the second balls and getting into areas. And then, like I say, he said it in there. To be honest, he should have converted a couple. So he's done well.
And just looking ahead, we've got now 2 away games before we return home. So what is quick analysis quickly on the 2 games ahead?
Yeah, look, go there and no one's going to make it any easy for us. It's important to prepare properly over the weeks and go into the game with our game plan. We're going to have to battle, we're going to have to fight, and then make sure our quality shines through. So that's what those 2 games will be about, I think.